Welcome students. Let us move on to another topic, carboxylic acid. Organic compounds which containing carboxyl function group, that is COOH, are called carboxylic acid. The carboxylic acid contains two functional groups. One is a carbonyl group and another one is a hydroxyl group. Let us learn the nomenclature of these carboxylic acids based on the IUPAC rule, that is prefix, root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Based on the IUPAC rule, we have to name this compound. The first member of this compound is HCOOH. Common name of this compound, this is IUPAC name. Common name of this compound is formic acid. IUPAC name is, only one carbon is present, so methane. From the parent name, the E is removed, then we have to add OIC, oic acid. So methanoic acid. Second one is CH3COOH. Common name is acetic acid and two carbon is present, so IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Third compound CH3COOH. Name of this compound is CHCOOH, and this is isobutyric acid. IUPAC name is 2-methyl propanoic acid. Fourth compound is see here, and this is the CH3COOH is ethanoic acid. One hydrogen is removed and that is substituted by phenyl group. So common name of this compound is phenyl acetic acid. IUPAC name is phenyl 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Next one is COOH. So this compound is, common name is oxalic acid. IUPAC name is 1,2 ethane dioic acid. Next compound is CH2COOH. Name of this compound is, common name is malonic acid. IUPAC name is propane dioic acid. CH2COOH. Common name is succinic acid. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon is there, so butane dioic acid. 2 carboxyl group is present, so dioic acid. The next one is preparation of carboxylic acid. First method of preparation is from primary alcohols and aldehydes. Primary alcohol and aldehyde can easily oxidize to corresponding carboxylic acid. Here the potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate act as the oxidizing agent. For example, when ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 OH, ethyl alcohol, when it is undergo oxidation in acidic medium, here K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate is act as the oxidizing agent. First it is converted into acetaldehyde. Further oxidation, it gives acetic acid CH3COOH. This is the first method of preparation. Second method is hydrolysis of nitriles. Second method is hydrolysis of nitriles. Methyl cyanide CH3 C triple bond N. This is methyl cyanide. When it is undergo hydrolysis in presence of acid, it gives acetic acid CH3COOH plus NH3. Third method of preparation is acid hydrolysis of ester. This is the third method of preparation. Esters and acid hydrolysis with dilute acids to yield corresponding carboxylic acid. For example, ethyl ethonate CH3 C double bond O OC2H5. Ethyl ethonate, when it is undergo hydrolysis in presence of dilute acid, it gives acetic acid CH3COOH plus CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. Next method of preparation is from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. This is methyl magnesium bromide. When this Grignard reagent react with carbon dioxide CO2 in presence of dry ether, it forms a salt of carboxylic acid. So CH3 C double bond O OMgBr, a salt of carboxylic acid is formed, and this compound now undergo acidification with mineral acid, and it will give corresponding carboxylic acid CH3COOH plus MgOHBr. Next one is hydrolysis of acyl halides and anhydride. Hydrolysis of acyl halides and anhydrides. Acyl halides, that is acetyl halide CH3 C double bond O Cl. This is acetyl halide. When it undergo hydrolysis, it gives acetic acid CH3COOH plus HCl. The same way, when acetic anhydride CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. This is acetic anhydride. When this acetic anhydride undergo hydrolysis, it gives acetic acid CH3COOH, 2 molecules of acetic acid. Next method of preparation is oxidation of alkyl benzene. Aromatic carboxylic acid can be prepared by oxidation of alkyl benzene when toluene CH3, that is toluene, when this toluene undergo oxidation in presence of chromic acid or KMnO4, alkyne KMnO4, and vigorous oxidation takes place, so that side chain oxidized into carboxylic group. So we will be getting COOH. This is benzoic acid.